This is a brief editorial video on how to access our course in Advanced 360. You'll want to click on My CVTC in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. I'm already logged in, but for example's sake, let me just show you. The screen will look like this. You'll enter in your username and your password. This is the student portal, and you'll just go up to the e-iContact. When you hover over the icon, it shows you Advanced 360. That is our learning management system. Click on that. Same username and login credentials as it was to get into My CVTC. Log in. Taking a little bit of time. It's thinking about what it wants to do. This is the home page, and you'll go up to courses. In the course tab, it's the second tab on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll locate our course. And again, your courses will be listed, so your course screen will look a little bit different. When you click on our course, you'll see the welcome page. You'll see my information, the description of the course, the members of our course. And you'll also have an electronic version of the syllabus and course calendar. Please click on that to access my expectations in the syllabus and due dates in the course calendar. To access the lessons, go to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a whole bunch of buttons. You'll see the course home, discussion, lessons. This is what you want to click on to access any of our lessons. This is your view of the lessons. Our first lesson is the Get Started Learning Plan. Click on that. I have a little welcome note. Shows you what to expect within this lesson. This is the Get Started Learning Plan, so it has a lot of housekeeping items like no-show policy, where you can get help. This is really important, especially for an online class, and if this is your first online class, you'll want to know where you can get technical support and academic support along with academic advising. This will be your best friend if you're having any sort of technical issues, because I am not technology savvy. I can only get you to the people that are, and this is where you find out that information. College policies and the student handbook. How to use E360. This is another tutorial guide. How to stay in contact with me. And then you're going to be submitting several recordings using YouTube, so you'll want to read through how to record and submit your recordings, because our introductory discussion will be a practice discussion where you are going to be recording yourself and submitting that recording to the discussion along with replying to your classmates' posts. Then you'll want to check your email, your CVTC student email, because I have an email competency assignment that will be due this week. So you'll read through that, read through the grading rubric. I have a file here. You can just click on, it's in a Word document format, so you'll just click on that. It will open up the guidelines for you. Take 2 or 3 minutes to read through those guidelines, and then create an email and submit that email to me. And then that brings us to reminders of the lesson. That means we're at the end of our lesson. So that is a brief video on how to access our lessons in E360. More videos yet to come. Email, call, or stop by with any questions that you have.